If you want to improve your makeup game and take it to the next level, then watch this video. We all want fresh and natural makeup on the skin that lasts a long time, but what we fail to do sometimes is start on a clean canvas. So you should never apply makeup directly on your skin without cleansing or cleaning your face. Also, you want to avoid applying makeup on skin that already contains previous makeup, as this is going to give your makeup a fresh and skin-like look. You want to gently cleanse your face with a good cleanser, such as the Micellar Facial Gel Wash by Simple, and pat it dry with a clean towel. Then you want to go in with the good moisturizers such as the L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizer is also very important because it's going to hydrate the dry patches on the skin and your makeup will stick better onto your skin. Then you want to go in with a good primer before applying your foundation, such as the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So when we apply makeup on skin that contains small pieces of hair, we're placing the makeup on top of that hair, causing your makeup not to look nice and smooth. So you want to start off by shaving your facial hairs first because it not only removes the hair but also removes the dead skin cells, therefore making your skin nice and smooth before makeup application. To shave your face, you want to use a surgical scalpel, such as this one, because these are recommended by dermatologists and are really easy to use. Then you want to start by keeping the razor at an angle of 45 degrees. Move your hand downwards in the direction of the hair. Do not shave in the opposite direction, which is upwards, because it can cause ingrown hair and can cause skin irritation. So you want to shave downwards. Then you want to wipe the blade on a tissue or a towel after 2 or 3 strokes so that the hair does not get stuck in your blade. It's always better to not go for the entire face, especially if you're a beginner. You only want to focus on the bottom half of your face to give you the best results. So when shaving, you want to be very light-handed. Do not apply a lot of pressure. After completing the bottom half of your face, you want to apply a serum, but make sure to use a serum that does not contain any acids, as it will irritate your skin. Eyeshadow sometimes gives you a lot of fallout. Even if you're not an experienced person, it can get very messy when applying eye makeup. So it is better for you to do your eye makeup first, then move on to your face makeup. If you do this, you can clean up any fallouts and mishaps without messing up your face makeup. Sometimes your winged eyeliner does not come out equal on both sides. Even then, if you haven't already applied your foundation and concealer, then you can easily correct them by using a makeup wipe to remove it, and since you don't have any face makeup, you don't have any worries. So it's best to do your eye makeup first if you're a beginner before going in with face makeup. Before buying a foundation, people usually swatch out their foundations on their wrists to check if it's the right shade for their skin. But that's the wrong way to finding your match for your foundation. The color on your wrist is usually different from the color on your face. Therefore, it is always best to swatch out or apply your foundation on your face or your chest if you want to find the perfect foundation that matches your exact skin tone. The way we apply a foundation affects the way it settles on our skin. You always want to apply your foundation in a downward direction. So if you apply it in an upward direction, the foundation will settle in your pores, which will make them more prominent. So always blend it downwards to conceal the pores and make your skin look smoother. This will also prevent your pores from being clogged and be prominent. Foundation cannot naturally sit on your skin without it being set by powder because it tends to move around on the skin. So therefore, you always want to set it with pressed powder because it's going to make your foundation stay put on your skin and won't move. This will make your makeup last longer. You can also use translucent powder and lightly dab it all over your face. This powder will absorb excess moisture and lock your foundation in place. So we know that concealer is a great way to hide fine lines and dark circles on our skin, but what you want to avoid doing is placing the concealer on your eyelids if you're not applying eyeshadow, because concealers can easily get creased when applied to the eyelid. And if you don't have any eyeshadow on top of the concealer, it's going to stay creased on your eyelids all day long, which you don't want. What you want to use instead is an eye primer, such as the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place eyeshadow base, or an eyeshadow base that is very close to your skin tone, because they are waterproof and they don't settle on creases on our eyelids. After using an eye primer, you want to go in with a white powder, also known as a blotting powder, on top of it to set it and make sure that it does not crease. But achieving a perfect makeup look is not that difficult. It's all about the tips and tricks. If you have enough knowledge on some useful makeup tips, then you can apply makeup without any difficulty. And that's why you have to watch this video right here, because I go over the biggest makeup mistakes that you should avoid to drastically improve your makeup game.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.